Hi friends, my name is Ella and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share my super easy creamy carbonara recipe. Before I start, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button to see more of my top lists, recommendations, and recipes. Thank you! Okay, so here's my quick and easy chicken carbonara recipe. First off, I'm not one to strictly follow recipes, so this one will not be complicated. And note that I have watched several videos on carbonara until I've come up with this recipe that I like. I mean, we all have our own preferences, so for myself, I like putting my own twist on things as well. Okay, so let's start with the ingredients. You will need olive oil, brown onion, bacon, chicken thighs, salt, pepper, pasta of your choice, cooking cream, 2 eggs, Parmesan cheese, or you can also use your standard cheddar cheese. All right, so once you have all those ingredients, we can start cooking. So first, we chop the onions into small pieces and fry them on a pan until they get crispy. Set this aside once you're done. Then dice in your onions. Use the same pan for the one that you used for your bacon, so you can add in the bacon oil in the dish. Put a bit of olive oil and add in your onions. And you should do this on medium heat so you don't burn your onions. Once the onions are cooked, put in your diced chicken thighs and wait for all the chicken to cook. Simultaneously, you can start cooking your pasta on a separate pot. Put a bit of salt and olive oil so that the pastas do not stick together. Put in the cooking cream on the chicken mix. Then best to use the thickened cream for a creamier result for your carbonara. Then add in salt and pepper based on your preference. Add in the 2 eggs, and I usually crack the eggs directly onto the pot, but you can also opt to crack them open on a bowl first, separately, before adding into your white sauce mixture. Stir the sauce quickly after adding in the eggs, so you don't have solid bits of eggs in your mixture. Also do this on a medium to low heat where you're not burning your cooking cream. Add the cheese once the eggs mix completely with the milk. Try to mix the eggs well with the milk so you do not get the white particles on your carbonara, as I've said a while ago. Then check your pasta every now and then. Cook your sauce in low heat or turn the fire off completely so the milk does not get burnt. Again, I'm not one to strictly follow recipes or even the packet instructions. So what I do to check my pasta is to get a fork or just anything to try and get one piece of pasta and cut it. And if I'm already satisfied with the softness, then I get rid of the water with a strainer so I don't overcook the pasta. And I usually cook my pasta al dente. Once you're satisfied with the softness of your pasta, strain the water and put the pasta over the white sauce. I think the pasta gets too dry when you serve it separately from the sauce, so I always mix it with the sauce while cooking. I think some people would serve the pasta separately from the sauce. This goes for all the pasta dishes I make. Mix everything together until the pasta sauce thickens more and gets absorbed by the pasta. To get rid of the watery consistency, keep it on low heat and continue mixing so you don't burn the bottom of your pasta. And it also gets creamier as you continue cooking in low to medium heat and letting the pasta absorb all the excess water and the creamy sauce. Once all the excess water or liquid has evaporated, add in the bacon and keep mixing. Once you're happy with the consistency of your sauce and the taste, you're ready to serve. You can also add in a bit more cheese after plating because, hey, adding more cheese is always a good idea. So now you can enjoy your creamy chicken carbonara. Feel free to leave comments and please like this video if you did and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next video.